Hi guys, a very warm welcome from Arjiti Creations. I welcome you to our first painting for the month of January. I hope you've checked out how to create the base of the calendar so that we can start working month-wise. Today we are going to be starting how to do the January month. And for the month of January, we will be creating Ganpati Ji, Vignaharta and the Riddhi Siddhi Data. So we will be creating Ganpati Ji in the beautiful icon style. So we are going to mainly use black and red and with some dots of yellow. So let us quickly get started.
So hi guys, a very warm welcome from Arjiti Creations. I hope you got a chance to see our first video, and in case you directly reached this video, please go and have a look at the first video on how to create your bases for your calendar. So now I'm taking my first base of the calendar, that is for the month of January. Now, when you take this paper, take it vertically. Now that you're taking your calendar vertically, let us see what all supplies you will need for the first project that we are going to create. We'll need our basic scale, we will need our protractor, okay? We will need our compass, a pencil, and this we are going to be creating in Ipon style. Since we are going to be creating it in Ipon style, I am not using a red base here, but what I will be doing is that I will be using red pen as well as black pen and yellow paint. So we will be doing a few dots also, so we will need few dotting tools. Now dots are optional. What is the first step? Let us first draw it in pencil. First is just mark your center. Just mark your center and then we will mark points. So let me show you. First mark a point at 3 cm, then at 3.5 cm, then at 4.5, 5, 6 and 7. These points we have marked from the center, and we are going to create our circles with this. So just keep your compass ready and create circles at all of these points. Now in case you want to do this in authentic Ipon style, you can do it on a red paper using a white pen, but I wanted to keep a consistent white base for my entire calendar, so I will be using my red pen here. So my circles are ready. I'm going to create a corner on all four sides. Now for this corner, let me first show you the dimensions that I'm using. From the corner, mark 1 cm, 1.5, 2 cm and 3 cm. And we are going to draw semicircles quarter circles or arcs for this as well. So just let us make our circles or arcs this way. I'm going to create the same arc in all four corners. Now I have made my corners. Now what we are going to do is just mark 1 cm border here and just draw a line. Okay. This we are going to do on all four sides. Okay. Now comes the important part, and that is, since we want to create a very symmetric border pattern here or borders, so what you do is first draw a line. Okay, just draw a line, don't cut the inner part, don't cut this. This line is just a reference line for making our 0 degree and 180 degree, this line, this way. And just create a grid like we did in our mandala series also. Now I have done a complete series on Ipon covering the basics of Ipon, various paintings in Ipon, including a chalky in Ipon style. So in case you want to check that out, I have mentioned the links in the description box. You can check it out as well. So this way I'm just creating a 10 degree grid. Now this, you will understand, is this really important, this grid. Just mark the grid and connect your grid. This will help your Ipon painting to be really symmetric. Since this is a part of our calendar, which you can not only make for yourself, gift it to friends and family. So this way. I have marked all my points. Just take a scale and connect it. Now do not draw it in the inner 3 centimeter because that is where we are going to create our figure. Now here we are going to create the figure of Ganpati ji because he is the Pratham Puj, because it is the starting of a new year and we want to be free of all the Vigna and Bhada, so that is why we are going to create Ganesh ji in our first painting. So this way, let me connect these all. This will be connected in pencil so that it gives us a base or a grid line to create our icon in a perfect style. So now you can see that my grid is ready. I have just marked 1 centimeter points on these 4 lines as well. I've made a small grid on the 4 corners as well. So this way my grid is done and ready. Now you can put aside your compass and everything, and we are now going to start using our red pen. Now let me show you. Red pen you can either use a Uniball, you can use any Staedtler, or you can even use a Micron red color pen. Any pen which is of red color which is available with you. In case you don't have a red pen and you want to use your black, that is also perfectly fine. Now, any fade-proof, waterproof pen is actually fine when you're doing this. Now we are going to do different kinds of designing work in all of this, which is basically inspired from Icon style. Now here, since your grid is ready, you can simply create, I'm creating semicircles like this in the inner line. Now, right now you can do it in, because this is a circle, you can simply create, and in the end, we will create Ganpati ji in the center. So the grid line here is really helpful in letting us create a very symmetrical figure. This. Now we are going to do a double line, basically 3 lines. So inside this, you can create 2 more lines. So I'm creating this in the inside. So this is our first pattern, and this pattern is done and ready. Now we are going to do our second pattern, and for the second pattern what we are going to be doing is we will be creating a pattern in this part. Okay? For this part you can choose any design of your choice. Here what I am choosing is a triangular design that is very common in Icon style. The triangular design that I'm doing here is basically, in this what we don't really draw triangles per se, but this design is drawn in this way. You will draw a tall line in the point here, and the line is going to just get smaller and the smallest here, and you are going to slowly increase it. This. So a triangle is formed, but it is formed very beautifully in this particular way. Be careful because this is not a straight part, but it is a curvy part. So you have to be careful that do this really slowly. It's going to take a lot of time. This. See, overall it has started looking nice. This pattern is very popular in iPhone and it looks really nice. We had created it in our iPhone style thali also for Diwali and it came out really beautiful. And in that case we did it using our Fevicryl 3D liners. Now let me show you how it looks. See, now I have finished this. How beautiful it is looking. It's looking really pretty. This border looks very pretty. Now just do an outline here. I've done an outline in the inside also. Like this. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a line here also. And before we create that line, let us do our external two borders out here. For this particular external border, I'm choosing a triangular pattern again. With this triangular pattern, I'll be using my scale to do it. Now you can use your scale or you can do freehand. So it's going to be something like this. Now this can be done freehand also. I wanted that crisp look, so that is the reason why I'm using my scale. Okay. Now be careful because sometimes if you have a micron then that's not a problem, but otherwise some of the other pens might bleed a little. So be very careful when you're creating these kind of patterns. Let me now create it all around and show you how pretty it's going to look. So see now how beautiful it has started looking with these triangles. What I've done is I've added 2 circles in pencil. So we are going to create basically 4 concentric circles here. And I'm going to outline it in the pen later on. Let us make our final outermost line. For that, what we are going to do is start from this point where your triangle is touching. Okay, be careful because it is a circle. Now see this beautiful curve we have created all around. I'm going to be repeating my curve pattern in this outer part also. So just start from here. Like this. The same we are going to do on the other corners also. Now let us come back to our center pattern. Now what we are going to do is here this create a count. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and the inner part. So try to create same number of lines like this. Okay, if you create the same number of lines, your pattern is going to look beautiful and the painting is also going to come out pretty. Like this. Now we are going to create a small floral motif in the center here. So just create a semicircle, a drop shape, this, and we are not going to fill this up, okay, because of excess of red over here, so we are not going to fill this up like this. See, this way. Now let us create one corner, and then let us first create one corner for the centermost corner. Now I'm just creating the lines first here to keep consistency with the center pattern. So this way. Now here I am going to be creating this pattern that I did. So this way we've created, and so this way I have created the corners. I'm going to recreate the same corner on all four sides as well. But before that, we are going to do an outline. So do an outline of this entire thing. And we are going to create a border in this part. So to do that, first let us do a line here. I'm going to do another line here. Now I have marked 1 centimeter points. Now first on these 1 centimeter points, just draw your lines. Like this. We've drawn our lines. Now what we are going to be doing is that I'll be creating a triangle in this. Okay, this way. Now in alternate triangles we are going to create something different. So for example, like in this triangle I have done lines. In this particular triangle I am going to be drawing my triangles here. What I'll be doing is I'm just drawing a triangle, and here I'm going to draw so in all of them, in this particular triangle it's going to have straight lines. This particular triangle is going to have red. Okay. This particular triangle is going to have horizontal lines like this, and this particular triangle also will have. So when we finish this, let me finish and show you. This is going to look super beautiful on all the four sides. Now drawing lines using a scale is not compulsory. You can do freehand lining also. See how nice this is looking. Now let me finish this on all four sides and show. See, this is done. I have created the corners and I have created the borders. Just rub off all the pencil marks, and now we are going to create a beautiful picture of Ganpati Ji, the Pratham Tulsi in the center. Now for convenience sake, I'm just going to do this in a pencil. So I'm making a triangle on the top for the mukut. Like this is the trunk. In this hand, we are going to create the laddu. First, let us make the ears. And here we can make the mushak. And I'm going to make a plate with laddu. Now this entire thing we will color it up with red color. You can do it completely with red color. Okay. First let us do the outline and then we are going to do it with red color. Before filling the red color, I'm going to rub off my pencil mark so that there is more neatness when I'm finishing. Now let me do this in red color and show you. Now see, I have made Ganesh Ji. Now just to add a dash of color to this, I'm using my yellow, golden yellow, and I'm using my dotting tool of 4mm. Okay. Since we've already done dot mandala, so you're very much familiar with the tools that are necessary to use this. I'll be creating 4mm dots here. Now this is completely optional, but this will look really beautiful once it dries up. It's gonna just take a little bit of time to dry up. So I'm using my yellow here. Yellow is used a lot in icon art because it is done on a red base, so yellow looks really beautiful this way. I'm also doing the same dot here. Just be a little careful because there is just enough space to fix your dot inside. In case you want to check out more videos on creating complete dot mandala paintings, you can refer to my playlist on dot mandala where I have shared tricks and tricks on how to do dot mandala in a very detailed way. So now see how beautiful my dot mandala is looking along with this. If you want, you can create a line of yellow outside as well, continuously by doing your dot mandala. I will also create one line outside here. Now be careful because there is no grid line here. So just keep enough space and so now in this way, see our super beautiful first painting for our calendar, that is the Ganpati Ji, that is Vignaharta, is ready. Do create your own, do share with me how you liked the first lesson of the calendar.